I'm Kelly Williams, nutritionist at the Worcester County Health Department. Welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester. March is National Nutrition Month, and we're also celebrating Food Waste Action Week. Every year in America, we waste about 30% or more of our food supply. And with rising food costs, there's never been a more important time to make the most of our food budget. So today I'm going to show you how to use some of your scraps and things that you would normally maybe throw away and repurpose them into a nutritious and delicious smoothie. The first thing that I want to show you is a little trick that I like to use all the time. Just a big freezer bag in my freezer that I put scraps in any time of the year. So in this freezer bag today, we have a little bit of banana left over, a wedge of cantaloupe, some pieces of lettuce. Yes, all the parts, even the little stems, are edible on lettuce, and some ends of cucumber from a salad. So again, these are all the edible parts that you just typically don't use, but they're completely nutritious, and you won't even notice some of those little stems or seeds once you blend them up. Another thing that a lot of people don't know, the entire strawberry is edible, even the green tops. So this is a leafy green, just like a lettuce or a kale, any of those. And so when you slice them up, maybe for your kids or yourself, you don't typically eat the green part, but when you cut them apart, throw them in your freezer bag, leave them in there, and they're good to go. So we're just gonna dump kind of a mixture of fruits in there. We have a few spinach and baby kale greens. It's maybe half a cup, we'll throw that in. And anytime you have fruit that's maybe a little bit bruised or brown, not to the point of being moldy, but maybe just getting a little bit soft, a little bit overripe, smoothies are a great way to use those as well. So this is a pear, and as you can see on the inside, it's got a couple brown spots, but nothing that's too big of a deal. Okay. Now, depending on how strong your blender is, you might have to cut these into smaller chunks. I have a pretty strong blender, so I'm leaving them in larger chunks. And you can use any mixture of fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables that you like. Okay. Some other great add-ins for your smoothie. I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt for extra protein. And again, this can be any type or any flavor. This is just vanilla. When you're looking at dairy products, aim for no sugar added when possible. Okay. And I like to add things like flax seeds and hemp seeds for additional protein and omega-3s. So I have about a tablespoon of flax left in there, and we'll give this about a tablespoon of hemp seeds. Chia seeds are great as well. And this part is where you just kind of eyeball how much liquid. So I have some almond milk today. You could use any milk that you want. Water would be fine too, 100% juice, coconut water, even some leftover tea, like a green tea or an herbal tea. Just be creative. So you want to fill your liquid up to at least halfway. All right, we're gonna get this blended. If you like a thicker smoothie, just add some more ice, or if you have extra frozen fruits, avocados and bananas are really great for thickening your smoothie. So feel free to kind of experiment with whatever you like. If you like things to have a little bit more sweet taste, think about extra ripe sort of fruits like pineapple. They lend a lot of sweetness, as well as strawberries, things like that. So you can see, we've got a delicious smoothie here. It's really good. I didn't have to add any sugar to this, and it has a nice fresh taste, and these were all food scraps. So I've got some extra nutrition in my day, as well as made use of some things that were just gonna go to waste. Another fun trick, especially if you have kids at home, If you have leftover smoothie, get yourself some of these little plastic popsicle molds. You can get them at the grocery store, Walmart, I think even Dollar Tree or the Dollar General stores have them in the summer months and spring. And fill up a popsicle mold, pop that in there, and leave those in the freezer. It's a great, delicious, and nutritious snack for your kids all year long. Remember, eat healthy, stay active, prevent diabetes today.